How to log in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook Messenger. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now here you have to enter your mobile number or email address firstly. After you enter your mobile number or email address, just type in the password of your Facebook account. And after you are done, tap on this option of login. In the case you want to save your login info, tap on save. If you don't want, then you can tap on not now. Here I'm gonna tap on not now. If you want to get notifications from Messenger, you can tap on allow. But for now, I'm just gonna tap on don't allow. If you want to add your mobile number over here, you can do that. Or in the case you don't want, you can tap on not now. I'm gonna do that. Tap on continue. And here you can see that I logged into my Facebook Messenger. This is how you can easily log into your Facebook Messenger. This was very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to log into Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.